I'm Kristie Mate, and I am going to be the principal at Parkview next year. I am very excited to be part of the school and learn the climate and culture and get to know all of the parents. I am coming from a middle school in Plainfield where I have been the assistant principal for the past 7 years, so I'm very excited to be part of District 89 in Parkview. One of the big goals that I have is to continue the close-knit community that I have heard so much about. I am most excited to see the students grow from kindergarten to 5th grade and just have the opportunity to see how much they grow in their education and their social emotional learning. I have a 7-year-old son in 2nd grade and a 9-year-old daughter who is in 4th grade. So I am very aware of what happens in elementary and just excited to be part of the family and teacher connection. When I'm not at school, I'm very busy with my 2 children. I do enjoy reading. I'm constantly reading articles or books and often things that the kids read so I can help pick out the best books for them, and I enjoy cooking and baking, so I spend a lot of time in the kitchen with my family. So I hope when a Parkview student sees me, they say, you know, "Hi, Mrs. Mate," and they're able to either share an accomplishment that they have or even just a simple good morning and make it a very welcoming family feel at the school.